Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to control and monitor my electric bulb from Firebase. Okay, so in this video first I will create a Firebase project, then I will connect the Firebase project to this ESP32 module, and we will control our app. Okay, so now let's get started. LED bulb, continue. We will keep this disabled. Continue. Now click on build. We will use real-time database. Create database. Data center I will go with Singapore as I am in India, so the nearest data center is Singapore. Start in log mode. Okay, enabled. So guys, here our database has been created successfully. Now we have to make some changes here. True, and here true. So our database can receive the data from ESP32, and also it can publish the data to our ESP32 module. Now copy this and paste it here. Now we require a Firebase authentication code. Database secrets, show, copy this one and paste it here. So now guys, this whole source code I will provide you in the video description, so go and you can check out the source code. Now I'm going to upload this code. I already have connected my ESP32 microcontroller. So guys, here we can see our source code has been successfully uploaded, almost uploaded. Okay, so the source code has been successfully uploaded. Now let's see the database. Okay, so now we have to make some changes in the database. Create a LED and we will store a integer here. Add. Okay, so it is working fine. Now I'm going to show you the video, live video. Okay, so here you can see, if I change here, if I'm entering 0, the blue light is turning off, and if I giving value 1, the LED is turning on. I have not connected the relay module yet. Okay, you can connect the relay module in the LED, in the pin number 2. Okay, just connect your relay module in the uh, pin number 2. In the next video I'm going to make a Flutter app, okay, with the good user interface. It will be connected to this database. Okay, so our user can turn on or off the LED from the app. Okay, we are no more required to make changes from here. Okay, we will give the value from our app. Hi everyone, in the last video we have configured our Firebase project with the ESP32, okay, where we can monitor and control this LED bulb by just pressing 1. If we enter 1, value 1, then the LED is going to be turned on. If we type here value 0, the LED bulb is going to turn off. But now we are going to make a Flutter app, okay, where we are our user can see a good user interface and they can control this value from the app. So guys, now let's get started. First we will create a Flutter app. Create Flutter, create LED bulb. Okay, so we require a Flutter project. Okay, it has created. Now let's open Visual Studio Code. Now click main.dart. Okay, now we need to configure this Firebase project to this Flutter app. Okay, click on general, click on Flutter, skip this step, copy this one, open terminal, now copy this one code, paste here, enter. So the all devices like Android, iOS, MacBook, web and Windows, all device will be selected just pressing enter. So guys, the Firebase options.dart file has been created automatically. It means that the Firebase project has been configured with this Flutter application. Now click on next, skip this one code. Okay, now I'm going to upload the source code here. I will provide you the source code in the video description. Okay, so no need to be worried. So guys, I have uploaded all this source code. Now I'm going to run this project, Flutter run. Okay, so now let me change the screen. iPhone 12. Okay, so if I click turn on here, okay, let's see the database. Value should be 1. Okay, yeah. If I turn off this bulb, the value gets 0. Okay, now I'm also showing a live demonstration of LED. Let me record a video for you. So guys, here you can see on the screen, now I'm going to turn on the LED. So here you can see the blue line is turning on, off. We can also control from database. So guys, our project has been successfully configured. If you want this source code, project source code, you will get all this material in the video description. I hope you will like this video and you will subscribe this channel as well.